Anything that stands out to anybody in 2D? As you look through the different levels or the critical attributes?
You notice on the distinguished side that if there's an issue, it doesn't necessarily have to interrupt instruction. You can handle the issue with the other 24 kids don't even notice you just handled something.
Right.
Yeah. And like many of these elements, these four domains, the jump between from proficient to distinguished is a pretty big jump. Where you have students doing correctly, students doing questioning, students doing even some of the teaching. Here you have students correcting the behavior of some of the other students, which, you know, as a classroom teacher, I think about that. I think, boy, you know, I'm not there. That doesn't
Right,
happen in my
right.
class.
No.
A student reminds his or her classmates about the class rule about chewing gum. You know, I mean,
First graders are great.
there's
So, I think you have to
Yeah.
the reality that being distinguished in some of these is going to be really difficult.
It will be.
yeah, it's
That's the reality. It's going to be very difficult.
I told my teachers, if I were proficient, I'd be happy. If I could go through and say I'm proficient at these things, I would be happy.
Yeah.
Distinguished will be hard. There will not be many distinguished.
And that's why as a teacher, I think you need to look at it as a professional growth model as opposed to, hey, this is how the administrators are going to evaluate.
Yeah.
This is a professional, this is a tool that I can use to become better at my profession. And
I'd love to
I'm
get-
not going to be distinguished in everything right now. And nobody in this district probably is. But this is a way that I can see how I can get better.
I'd love to have my kids at that distinguished level. That's my goal. Is that going to happen this year? No. Is it going to happen next year? Maybe not. Am I going to gradually get closer to that? I mean, that's my goal, that I gradually get closer to that. But it's going to take time.
So for our overall evaluation, for those of the high school that have 6 different classes, is it going to have to be that you monitor different classes? Because like on that survey today, choose your second hour class.
Right.
That's my best class. So boom.
Hey,
you
good.
know.
That was good then.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, you know, are you going to like, okay, we're going to watch you in
Well-
second hour, then we're going to watch you in seventh hour.
And that's part of the requirement for this is that we do more observations. It's not just the one announced, one unannounced, and we do the paper. Over the course of 2 years, and it's a 2-year process, we are going to be in your classroom. It may not be a full hour.
2 years for tenure.
2 years for tenure, excuse me, thank you. We are going to be in your classroom, they recommend at least 10 times.
We can request it.
And you can request it, yeah.
That we're working with it. If you're thinking maybe they came in and, didn't go out well or for whatever reason, or they came out informal, and you can request 2 weeks later, I would like to come into this class, because I do the same lesson, and it's even awesome.
And we're not obtuse enough that when we come in and we see something not going well, that we're not going to go, okay, we realize, and when we talk with you afterward, you know, and you're saying, you know, it really, part of your thing is, what would I do different? And we realize that there are some days when with some classes it doesn't, and with another hour it may. I mean, we realize that. That's again why we've got multiple things to use, and not just, this is the one, and this is the one you're going to get checked on.